She's beautiful and she's natural. Spirit of freedom, we love her. We love America. We're determined to embrace one another with respect for each other. Spirit of freedom, we love her. We love America. And as we go forth toward tomorrow, obstacles will come our way. Life's path is sometimes frayed, but the strength of this great land is her people. We, the common folk, are thankful for the spirit of freedom. We love her. We love America. Wherever you are, nothing can separate, near or far. She's beautiful and she's natural. Spirit of freedom, we love her. We love